Hello. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best flipper knives to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Benchmade Flipper Knife. The first pick on our list is the Axis flipper knife by a well-known American brand, Benchmade. Designed by custom knife maker Butch Ball, the 300 is a beefy knife at first glance, from the oversized, heavily contoured G10 handles to the thick drop point blade. The blade itself is crafted from stainless steel. Where the Benchmade really shines is its Axis locking system, a versatile locking mechanism invented in 1988 that utilizes a spring-loaded bar that moves forward between the knife's handles on a track and locks firmly into place on the blade's tang once deployed. The main advantages of this locking system are evident. There is no need to ever place your fingers in the direct path of the blade when closing it. It's a simple mechanism to operate, and is completely ambidextrous. Features: high quality, well designed, comfortable. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Gerber STL knife. We've showered Gerber with plenty of love in the past, and with good reason. The company has a solid track record of producing affordable, durable, well-designed knives, and the fastball is no exception. This American-born EDC flipper features a 3-inch Warncliffe blade with a handsome black oxide coating. Integrated BOSS ball bearings guarantee smooth, consistent, one-handed deployment that's as easy as flicking a light switch. Plus, the removable, 3-position pocket clip provides for ambidextrous carry. Features: titanium nitride PVD coating, fingernail hole, lanyard hole and frame lock, fully machined stainless steel handles. Coming up next. In third place we have the Zero Tolerance folding knife. Another favorite among EDC aficionados, Zero Tolerance's entire line of knives is designed for hardcore use. The Zero Tolerance is a compact, lightweight solution with a smooth KVT ball bearing mechanism that opens almost instantly with the flick of a finger. The 3-inch stainless steel blade is ultra hard and resilient with exceptional edge resistance, so it's ready for repeated use and abuse. The blacked out design features a titanium and carbon fiber handle with scales and a DLC coating for enhanced performance. It's handsome, tough, and versatile, an ideal gift for everyone from hunters and avid outdoorsmen to law enforcement and military personnel. Features: comfortable in hand feel, great performance, great companion for hunters. Now moving to the number 4. Kershaw Cryo folding knife. This flipper knife has a simple, yet pleasing look to it. It is the result of a Kershaw and Rick Hinderer collaboration. The main difference between this knife and many other Kershaw and Hinderer knives is the price. The Kershaw Cryo comes out at 5 ounces. The blade is 3 inches long and has a closed length of 4 inches. The handle is stainless steel with a titanium carbonitride coating. The Cryo features a frame lock, which is popular among many knives in this price range. It's popular because it just works, it locks up strong to help prevent accidents. The Cryo features the speed-safe assisted opening, as if you needed it with the flipper. You just have to get it started and the speed-safe take over and flips the blade open with ease. Features: excellent wear resistance and edge retention, comfortable, secure grip, stainless steel reversible clip. In the 5th position we have the Spyderco folding knife. Spyderco is a great flipper knife you can buy today. It is made for 2 reasons specifically: to be strong and to endure all the actions you want to use it for. The knife is based on the latest technology and has a lot to offer, a lot of features we like. The great thing about Spyderco knives is that they don't typically include more bells and whistles than is absolutely necessary. And the Spyderco flipper, the second flipper knife by the brand behind the Souther folder, features a clean, minimalist design that delivers on every front. While the integrated flipper is the opening mechanism of choice for most, Hardcore Spyderco fans can still make quick use of the blade spider hole for blade deployment on the fly. Features: high performance, designed to be safe, dependable. Thanks for being with the 5 best review throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best flipper knives. Do comment if you have any query and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.